Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to learn AWS services, full guide. Start by mapping core services to use cases and set focused goals for EC2, S3, RDS, Lambda, and VPC. Create a weekly plan that mixes reading, hands-on labs, and small projects. Track progress with milestones and adjust priorities based on what projects require most. Keep sessions short, practical, and consistent to build skills steadily and avoid burnout. Create a lab environment right away and prioritize doing rather than just reading. Begin with a simple S3 static site, then add a serverless API using Lambda and API Gateway, and finally connect a database with RDS. Regularly destroy and recreate resources to learn provisioning and cost control. Document commands and architecture diagrams so you can reproduce setups and troubleshoot faster on future projects. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to help more creators make practical AWS tutorials. Quick recommendation. The book The Simple Path to Wealth offers a clear, humorous take on money and independence that pairs well with career investing in skills. It changed how many think about time and learning priorities, so check the description for the book link and other deals. And now let's get back to the video. Use certifications as a roadmap while keeping hands-on skills central to learning. Study exam domains, then replicate scenarios in your lab to reinforce knowledge. Participate in online communities and local meetups to get feedback and real-world tips. Pair with peers for mock projects and code reviews so you learn diverse approaches. Keep a learning journal of mistakes and fixes to speed up troubleshooting and cement understanding.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.